How to remove Space Manager in Google Chat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove Space Manager in Google Chat. For this, you want to open the Google Chat app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Google Chat. Then tap on the install button to have this downloaded and installed on your device. Once you open the application, make sure to sign into your account. Once you launch the app, this is the home screen. Now you want to tap on the space icon at the bottom of your screen. Now from here you want to select your space. If you want to remove a space manager in Google Chat, you want to tap on the space name at the top. Then tap on the Manage Members option. Once you tap on this, you will be able to view all the members of your space. Now, as you can see, there are two space managers here. If you want to remove the space manager, simply tap on the three dots next to the person's name. Then tap on Remove from Space option. Once you do that, as you can see, that person has been successfully removed. Now, if you want to add more members, tap on this plus icon below and you can simply add any person you want in your space. After you have added a new member, if you want to make this person your new space manager, then tap on the three dots, tap on Make Space Manager option. Once you tap on this, as you can see, that person has become a space manager. Later on, if you want to change this person as only a member, tap on these three dots and then you can tap on Change to a Member option, and that account will be just a member and not a space manager. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.